My legal practice has evolved in several respects. I started out my career as an environmental lawyer and really covered all areas of environmental law. I was fortunate to become part of its growth in the 1980s and 1990s and was part of some of the legislation in Pennsylvania and regulations that we implement today. It then expanded into a broader-based zoning and land use practice, covering areas of administrative law, municipal law, real estate, and related litigation. So today it's a broad-based transactional and litigation practice focusing on those areas in addition to general counseling services. An even greater evolution of the practice has been the approach to the practice itself. I realized early on in my career that it wasn't good enough to just be a good technical lawyer. It was important to become immersed in the client's business. So in each case, I make it a point to understand the business that the client's in, their strategic plan, their competitors, and where the individual legal issue that I'm dealing with fits into that broader business plan. So for most, if not all of my clients, I've become a trusted business advisor to them, and it's been just terrific to share in their successes. It has to be my four sons. Having the privilege of raising them and mentoring them, sharing in their successes and their accomplishments, and seeing them now as young adults starting their own careers and raising families, by far and away the greatest achievement. On a professional level, successfully completing the Philadelphia Shipyard project was certainly a highlight and probably my greatest achievement. The Philly Shipyard, unfortunately, was part of the BRAC closure on a federal level and had to lay off 100 or so employees. I was fortunate to represent the largest European commercial shipyard builder who was being courted by the then Ridge administration. Led a team of lawyers and successfully negotiated a series of intricate contracts with local, federal, and state officials, in addition to entering into getting all permits, licenses, and approvals. The net result was securing $450 million in federal, state, and local funding and building the first commercial shipyard in the United States since 1945. My proudest moment as a lawyer, since beginning my career, I have had a pro bono commitment to work with children. In addition to serving on boards and acting as president of youth soccer associations and wrestling associations, I serve as a guardian ad litem, or a child advocate, if you will, for abused and neglected kids in the city of Philadelphia through the Support Center for Child Advocates. Because I've been doing it for so long, I've handled many cases of severe sex and physical abuse. And as their lawyer, I'm part of an interdisciplinary team to remove them from that abusive setting, find permanent homes for them, and guide them into productive lives. In several of those cases, my clients went on to graduate high school and college, begin careers of their own, and start families. Witnessing those success stories and being a small part of their lives and changing their story is definitely one of the proudest moments I've had as a lawyer.